Hey everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Dola AI in 2026, step by step, so your account looks personal and professional. First, log into your Dola AI account using your browser or desktop app. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your profile icon or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your account menu. Next, go to Account Settings or Profile. This section usually contains all your personal information, including your display name and profile picture. Now, look for the current profile picture or a placeholder image. Click on it, and an option to upload a new image should appear. Select Upload Photo or a similar button. Browse your computer for the image you want to use, preferably a clear and professional-looking picture. Select the file and click Open or Upload. You may be prompted to adjust the crop or positioning. Do that until it looks good. After uploading, make sure to click Save or Update Profile, so the new picture is applied across your account. Refresh your page if you don't see the change immediately. And yeah, that's it. Changing your profile picture in Dola AI in 2026 is quick and easy once you know where to find the upload option. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Voice